Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. I request all of you to please watch the video till the end. Do not start commenting, just seeing the thumbnail or the first few minutes. Friends, TCS NQT 2025 results. There are a lot of videos which is coming on YouTube, and everyone is giving some and the other information that the result is declared. And even some of the YouTube channel, they said that the offer letter is also released, acceptance of offer letter. And this I am talking about off campus. Okay, so be very clear, this I am talking about off campus. Obviously on campus had happened some time back. So for on campus your onboarding and then offer letter, all those things will happen. I'm not talking about on campus. So this is with respect to off campus. Now at many places you will see, so this kind of screenshots or maybe this kind of PDFs where you could see, so year of pass out 2025, and then the specialization, even the name was there, digital ninja, and then also the mail from TCS. So all those things are getting circulated. On top of that, I had made one video earlier, I mean some 2 days ago, where I had told how you can check the result on Next Step portal. And definitely people, many of you did not like it. Okay, so that also we will talk about. So the first thing, friends, be very clear. So this results, whatever you are seeing, either offer letter or this kind of emails, okay, or this kind of files, Excel sheet where college has sent like TCS selection list. This is for the on campus, not for the off campus. For off campus, if the result is announced, we will be the first channel who will tell you that the result is announced with some proofs and all. Till now, I never said the result is announced. If you'll watch this video, result upload on Next Step portal, check your result. Here I have told you the thing what I am showing you, the code thing is just an assumption and it is not the official email. It's been clearly mentioned. So you have to wait for the official email from the TCS for the result. Right now, there is no official communication for off-campus 2025 batch. The exam which you gave in March, April, May, June, or July also it is going on. And even after the interview, right, for the off-campus, the result is not yet announced, right? So the basically the assessment which happened in March, April, and all. So the result of campus result is not yet announced. So please don't worry about it. Okay. So I know from beginning you guys have had your trust on online study for you, and it will be always there. If the result is announced, if the official result is announced, then only I will inform you. Till then, I am not getting the correct information on Next Step portal, as well as the email or from the college, any kind of confirmation I will not make. Okay, one thing which I wanted to tell you, friends, many people, commented here that why are you playing with the student emotions and something and all. Okay, so what I have done here, so I just showed you like on this Next Step portal, you can see the code like this, but this is not official. Please wait for the official email from TCS. This I have clearly told, but still few of them were commenting. What I have done, I have deleted their comment and also I blocked them from the channel, because I know there are a lot of family members who are waiting for the videos and who understand that my intention, before that, I mean for making a video. Okay, so I really don't need that kind of people. If suppose there are 500 people are there who are commenting like that, I might delete their comment and I will block them, because this is definitely nothing wrong which I am doing. I'm just trying to tell you, okay, this is one of the thing, but wait for the official email. This I had told multiple times in this particular video. And these people, they will never comment on any videos that, sir, the classes or the videos which you are uploading is good, or the aptitude video was good, or the reasoning videos was good, or the coding. No, never. These people will never comment. So these are the people who will only come to demotivate you. So this kind of people I definitely remove their comment, and also we block them from the channel. Okay, fine. So anyway, so see, the conclusion of the TCS NQT result right now, there is no official result is announced. whatever is getting circulated on Telegram, WhatsApp group, okay, these all are from the previous batches. And don't worry about this coding system and all. Just wait for another 10 days. Within 10 days you should be able to get your result, hopefully. That is not again communicated by the TCS, but we are assuming. And anyway, there is no other go. You need to wait. Either the result comes in 10 days or it comes in 50 days. Only waiting or patience is the solution. Please concentrate on other exams or hiring. Okay, so don't run behind the videos and start asking this reason did you get the result, that reason did you get the result. Arey, result only itself is not announced. Now what kind of conversation you are having? I said you right, if result is announced and if I am in the city, if I'm traveling or doing something, definitely that time the videos might be little delayed. Otherwise we will be the first channel who will update you, but we will update you through at least Telegram or some medium, okay, if not through the videos. When actual result is announced, we will update you. Please keep the same trust now also. The previous video which I did was definitely as an assumption. See, it might be true, it might not be true. So please wait for the official email. That time also I said, now also I am telling the same thing. Some are saying TCS hiring is freezed and so the result is not coming. So friend, this is not true. The hiring is not freezed from the TCS side. There is no communication. Please don't believe on something which you see on Telegram or on WhatsApp. If I have some kind of concrete proof, then only I will tell you this is happening or that is happening. Otherwise, I will tell you yes. So this is just some information. We will wait for the official confirmation. Okay. So if you are seeing this kind of list where with the name, okay, so the names and then the year of pass out, then the qualification, the specialization, the role in Ninja, digital, and even many of them has got prime. So there are some you could see 6 seats are there. So these are not true if you are seeing this kind of email. Okay. So from TCS confidential, these are all are old. Okay. Nowhere you will be able to see the dates and all. Okay. So that is the reason it's been hidden. Okay. And this was circulated by many channels and they did not even verify that this email is for who. Okay. What is the status in the next step portal? All right. No. So that videos no, you can count as made for the views. But what I am providing you, because you are getting panic and I don't want you to get panic. I don't want you to get demotivated. I don't want you to get depressed. Okay. So this was one of the things which we have found out. But again, I said this might not be true. Okay. So there is no official confirmation. This might be a glitch on TCS website. This all those things we have discussed. Okay. So don't look into all these aspects. Please wait for another few days. And then we will decide. Okay. And please do subscribe to this YouTube channel if you think that we are going to provide you the genuine information. And now also we are providing, then please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And soon, as soon as the result is getting announced, we will explain you, we will tell you each and everything. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.